Hi everybody. A couple of days ago, my garage keypad didn't start to work, so I needed to reset the opener. This is the opener, and as you can see, it's not, I don't really see this as a common brand, Legacy. It does have this learning model at the back. So first things first, resetting the keypad. So whatever the passcode is, if you press star and pound key, it will blink for a couple of seconds and then it will reset. Now you can enter a new password. And then press the pound. And then enter the type of the garage opener. And then press pound. Finding out the type of the opener wasn't really that easy. There's actually type 1 to type 9 in the manual. I had to kind of guess what type would fit in and had to try like numerous times, but ultimately found out that my type was 6, which I entered. Now get a letter, go up to your opener and press this learn button. It should blink, right? Before the blinking stops, enter your key and press 0 3 times. And if everything went fine, the garage door opener will work. Now let's try our passcode. Bingo, it works. Another tip is that while it's working, just pressing any button, you kind of operate it. So keep in mind that anyway, I guess it works now, so I'm happy. Hope that next time I'm resetting, I'll be able to do it much faster. Hope this helps everybody, and good luck with all your garage opening.